While on his journey, a great warrior with a magic pilak, a native sword, died. Because the warrior was unknown on that place, the king placed his body at the center of a great hall. And 1,000 people come to identify him, but no one knows Bantogen. Finally, someone came and identified the body.
Do you know this guy? Yes. That's not Bantogen. A great warrior. King, did you hear that? Is that true?
Well, I think I'm gonna put soul in the body. Send me to the sky so that no one will identify me.
That's a good idea. Man, just go back to your kingdom and tell these bad news.
Yes, Your Highness.
Madani,
Yes.
we have to do something so that we can revive Bantogen.
That's right. We should disguise to get attention and trap the angel of death.
Bantogen! Madani, let's go back to the man.
Okay.
Let's go.
When Mabali brought the battle, he immediately went to Bembaran with Madani. They released the soul of the warrior.
Yan na lang
Later, Bembaran was invaded with enemy knowing that the warrior of the kingdom was dead. But Bantogen defeats the invaders and the war is over.